In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a roadmap on Monday.com so you can plan projects and visualize your goals more clearly. Start by opening your browser and going to Monday.com. Log into your account, and once you're inside your workspace, you'll see your main dashboard with all your boards and projects. Now look for the arrow plus button, usually at the top or on the left side of the screen. Click it, and from the options that appear, select Template Center. This is where you'll find a wide range of ready-made templates to help you save time. In the Template Center, use the search bar and type Roadmap. You will now see several roadmap templates designed for different purposes, like product launches, project planning, or long-term strategy. Choose the one that best fits your needs and open it. Once the template loads into your workspace, you can start customizing it. Add your key tasks or milestones, assign owners, and set due dates. You can reorder items by priority so your team always knows what to focus on first. Feel free to adjust labels, add notes, or include extra details to match your workflow. And that's it. You've now created a roadmap in Monday.com that helps your team stay aligned, organized, and focused on your shared goals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.